Hey, Lucas. Where are you going? Huh? You like the snow? Say yes, Grandpa. Later on, we're going to build a snowman. You want to build a snowman? Yes? Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. Not that one. Okay, come on. Let's go back. You ready? Let's go this way. Come on, Lucas. Come on, big boy. No. This way. You gotta go in the house, okay? Come on. You hold on. There you go. Uh-oh, you see all the snow? You see the snow? Yeah, I see it. Okay, keep going. Uh-oh. Brush the snow off. You got snow all over? Yeah. You want Grandpa to help you? Okay, come here. Come here, let's get the snow off. He don't like snow on his hands, everybody. Okay, ready? Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on, Lucas. Careful. Come on. Wanna go in the house?